Offerup is a popular platform for buying and selling local goods, making it ideal for refurbishing and reselling. Sourcing items at a low cost that you can then repair and enhance will increase their value and make you a profit. Here are the best items to buy and Offerup for refurbishing and selling. So first up, you've got furniture. Furniture is a consistently popular category in Offerup. People are often looking to offload old furniture due to moves, redecorating, or simply wanting to upgrade. This creates an opportunity for you to find hidden gems at bargain prices. Look for well-constructed pieces made from solid wood that may just need some sanding, staining, or painting to look their best. Upholstered furniture like chairs and couches can be refreshed with new fabric or professional cleaning. Sourcing tips include search free furniture on Offerup. You might be surprised at what people are willing to give away just to avoid the hassle of removal. And check regularly. New listings are added all the time, so consistent browsing increases your chance of finding good deals. And inspect carefully. You want to look for hidden damages or structural issues before making an offer. Next, you've got appliances. Used appliances can be a goldmine for refurbishing and reselling. People often replace appliances when they are still functional, making them ideal for giving on a second life. Focus on these types. Smaller appliances, items like coffee makers, blenders, toasters, slow cookers, and air fryers are relatively easy to clean and test. Washers and dryers, if you have some mechanical skills, these larger appliances offer good potential profit as well. As far as sourcing tips goes, ask about the age and if there's any issues. Be upfront with potential buyers about any known problems or repairs. Make sure that a spotless appliance is much more appealing to buyers, so clean it well. Consider offering delivery, as this can be a major selling point for larger appliances. As far as electronics go, the constant demand for the latest tech gadgets means people are always upgrading their smartphones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. You can find these items at great prices on Offerup and resell them for a profit after some refurbishment. As far as smartphones goes, you want to make sure the battery's okay, erase all data, and be transparent about any defects or network compatibility issues. For laptops, you want to highlight performance specs, restore its factory settings, and consider offering a short-term warranty to increase buyer confidence. For gaming consoles, test all its functions, clean it thoroughly, and consider bundling it with popular games. Electronics are an important target for scammers, so meet buyers in a safe location, examine items carefully, and use caution when it comes to payment methods. Now, as far as other categories go, baby supplies and gear, you want to thoroughly clean and sanitize all items, be transparent about age and wear, and offer bundle deals for larger items like cribs or stroller systems. For fitness and sports equipment, you want to clean and demonstrate the functionality of the equipment, especially larger pieces. Include relevant accessories. For tools, look for quality brands like DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Craftsman, and clean the tools beforehand and list them to demonstrate functionality for power tools. For vintage jewelry, look for pieces at estate arts, thrift stores, or online, and consider using specialized services to sell them. Now, as far as researching comparable items goes, you want to check completed listings on Offerup and other platforms like eBay to determine a fair marketplace value for your goods. Consider your purchase price, time spent on refurbishing, and any materials used when setting your asking price. Be open to negotiation. Offerup users often expect to negotiate, so be prepared to adjust your price slightly to secure a sale. Remember that Offerup is a competitive marketplace, and by choosing the right items, taking the time to refurbish them properly, and marketing them effectively with high quality photos and descriptions, you can increase your chances of success and turn your refurbishing hobby into a profitable venture.